In this video, you will learn how to change resolution in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you are designing for the web or preparing your artwork for print, understanding resolution is essential to ensure your design looks sharp and professional. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly understand what resolution means. Resolution is measured in ppi, means pixels per inch. For online or digital use, the standard resolution is 72 ppi. This is lightweight and loads faster on screen. For printing purposes, a higher resolution such as 300 ppi is recommended for crisp and clear results. You can even set custom values like 600 ppi if your project requires extra sharpness. If you already know the purpose of your design, the best practice is to set up the correct resolution right from the start. Here is how. Open Adobe Illustrator and go to the File menu and choose New or use the shortcut Ctrl+N. In the New Document window, look for the Raster Effects option. If you don't see it, click Advanced option to expand the menu. Choose the resolution you need, 72 ppi for screen or 300 ppi for print. This way your document is already optimized for its final use. If you have already started working on a project, you can still change the resolution. Go to the top menu and select Effects and then Document Raster Effects setting. In the pop-up window, choose from 72, 150 or 300 ppi. If you need a different resolution, select Other and type in your custom values, for example 600 ppi. Click OK to apply the changes. This ensures your artwork is updated with the new resolution instantly. Sometimes you may only need to adjust resolution at the export stage. Here is how. Go to the File menu, Export and Export As. Choose your save location, give your file a name and select a format like JPG or PNG and click Export. A new window will appear with format specific option. For JPG, you will see a resolution drop down where you can select screen 72 ppi, medium 150 ppi or high 300 ppi. For PNG or other formats, the resolution option may look different but work the same way. Confirm your selection and export the file. And that's it. You have now learned 3 ways to change resolution in Adobe Illustrator: when creating a new document, when adjusting an existing file, when exporting your design. By understanding how and when to adjust resolution, you can make sure your artwork looks perfect whether it's on screen or in print. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy Guide and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our daily Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.